Hey guys, I want us to take a look at some of the issues I'm seeing with grading. Just as a quick tutorial everyone needs to watch, and hopefully it'll help out. So right now this is on my evil twin, who is a student, not a very good student. So she's logged into her class. It's very similar to y'all, except you would be seeing a meet icon there, but it's like, what is my grade? What work have I done? So I'm going to click on View All for work. Oh dear, got a 24 in the class. Okay, so I can see that some things have been missing. Okay, these I haven't turned in. They haven't been graded. If they've got a number, it means that it has been graded. Let's take a look at some of these, the zeros. Okay. So especially if you see this little post-it, it means that there is a comment here. So let's say the student interest form, because remember that was a form just saying, do you like English, da-da-da-da. So I'm going to click on it. It says, oh, my private comment from the teacher, you didn't actually turn in the form. Okay, so this is the deal, because we look at the assignment. Remember, the assignment was filling out this Google form. Okay, that is what you have to do. So let's pretend, oh yeah, I forgot to actually fill it out. I'm going to fill it out, da-da-da-da-da. Click Submit. My bad, Miss King. Then Miss King will be able to see that I did it, and I can just do Resubmit. Okay, so that'll give the teacher an idea, again, me, talking about myself in the third person, to go ahead and look at it again. All right, so with all of these, keep in mind that yes, you're doing resubmitting for things like this. It's still pretty smart to send me an email saying I'm going back, I'm fixing this stuff so that I'll be able to see it quicker, but it's also on you to do it. Here's another example. So again, looking on this. So here's a good one. The Google Classroom Manual. I was very nice on this one this time. Right now it's a 0 out of 5. The comment is there's nothing here. So let's view the details for this. Okay. Read through this manual and leave a comment about something interesting you learned. After leaving a comment, mark the assignment as done. For the very few students who actually read those instructions and did it, I gave them bonus points. Because guys, the grade is reading, but it's also leaving a comment so I know that you read it. So, let's say I turned it in, but the fact that there's no comment here, then that shows me that the person didn't actually do it. They didn't follow the whole thing through. So again, if I look at my student work, if I went and I looked at the work for this person, right now I'm on my teacher view. Okay. So, sorry guys, I'm showing some stuff off. If they have done a comment, I'm able to see it. Sorry, Colton, we're doing this. Yep, I can see your comment. So now I'm going to make a comment, blah, 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 blah. Submit that, resubmit. Okay, and that's given the teacher idea. I've done that, so we can do that. So if we look at one other thing, let's do this. Journal. We're going to go over journal expectations more. This is going to be a different video. But let's take an idea with a journal. Here we did. That one's missing. I need to go and do it. This one left a comment. Oh, I only got a 1 out of 5. What did I do wrong? Ruth Bader Ginsburg is awesome. She is, but my private comment to me was 3 to 5 sentences. What? Let me view details on this. Okay, we've got a journal. What makes for some? Oh, 3 to 5 sentences. No wonder I got a lower score. 3 to 5 sentences. Okay, well, it's already been graded. So if I want to get credit and do the edit, I'm going to have to put it down here. Okay, so I'd be like Ruth Ginsburg is my idol. She stands up for justice. She better live forever. Okay. All right, and that's going to go to Miss King the teacher versus Miss King the student, and I'll be able to go back and do those edits. Okay, so in general, guys, before you mark something as done, make sure you've actually already done it. Like if it's, you have to go to a Flipgrid and do a video. Well, I'm going to check, make sure you actually did the video. If it's something like a journal, and you're like, you know what, actually I do think I want to edit this for more points, you do it as a comment. If it is something where the directions ask you to leave a comment, so I know that you watched something or you read something, then you need to leave a comment. On that note, the word for this video, so that I know that you watched it, is pecan. All right, so that's the magic word, pecan, P-E-C-A-N, pecan. Also, when I upload these videos to YouTube and you play them, YouTube will capture who watches them. So I will know that if I submit a video and everyone's like, oh yeah, we totally all watched it, and I go to YouTube and it shows that it has 1 view, be like, one of you watched it and all the other of you shared the special word, which is pecan, by the by. All right, so hopefully this answered some questions. People go and look at the graded work. And that's it for now.